Hey there guys, Chet here. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect Brevo to WordPress step by step so that you can manage contacts, send newsletters, and run automated campaigns directly from your website. But before we begin, if you're new to Brevo, you can get 50% off the starter and business plans for your first 3 months using the link that we've put down below in the description. You'll also get access to my complete Brevo course, which walks you through everything you need to know to master the platform step by step. Now, without further ado, let's get started. First, log into your Brevo account. Now, once you're inside, navigate to the top right corner and click on your profile link. From the drop-down menu, select Integrations. Now, after clicking, you'll land on the Plugins and Integrations page, which is where you'll see all of your available integrations. Now, scroll down until you find the WordPress plugin designed specifically for Brevo. Click on WordPress, and then a new browser tab will open. Here you will find the official plugin download page. Click on the Download the WordPress plugin button to save the plugin file to your computer. Now, once the download is complete, open your WordPress dashboard. Now, on the left-hand menu, click on Plugins. Now, at the top of the Plugins page, click on Upload Plugin. Now, click Choose File. Select the Brevo plugin file that you just downloaded and click Install Now. Now, we'll wait for the installation to finish. Then, click Activate Plugin. This will enable Brevo on your WordPress site. After activation, you will notice a new Brevo tab in your WordPress dashboard menu. Click on Settings under the Brevo tab to start the connection process. Here you will need to connect your WordPress site to your Brevo account using an API key. Now, to get your API key, go back to your Brevo account, click on the gear icon there in the top right corner of the screen to open Settings. From the left sidebar, click on SMTP and API. On this page, select API keys and MCP. Next, click on the Generate a New API Key button in the top right corner. A small pop-up window will appear asking for a name for your key. Type any name that really helps you to identify it later. Then click Generate. Brevo will now display your newly created API key. So copy it, go back to your WordPress dashboard, and paste it into the API key field inside the Brevo plugin settings. Once you've done that, click on the Connect button, and within a few seconds, your WordPress site will be successfully connected to your Brevo account. After the connection is established, you will then and only then be able to synchronize your WordPress contacts with your Brevo lists, send newsletters, and automate marketing campaigns without even leaving your site. From here, you can start creating sign-up forms on your WordPress pages or post to grow your email list automatically. You can also design and send email campaigns directly through Brevo and track their performance from your dashboard. Additionally, you can use all of Brevo's automation tools to set up welcome emails, product follow-ups, or even promotional sequences that trigger automatically whenever a user signs up or interacts with your website. That's it. Your Brevo and WordPress accounts are now fully connected and ready to use. If you would like to explore advanced automation setups or learn how to design high-converting sign-up forms with Brevo, check the link down there in the description to access our complete training series and get 50% off of the starter and business plans for your first 3 months. All right, that is it for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.